is Jello and I'm here in Abu Dhabi and you're watching Extreme Travelers. Right now I'm going to visit the Extreme Tourism office to book an experience here in Abu Dhabi, the Dhabi Dhow cruise. So now let's go to the office of Extreme Tourism. Office, Extreme Tourism. So we have this booked today and later we'll come again. We're going to the hotel where we're going to meet the other guests. Hey, this is from Extreme Tourism and we are here with the guys! Hello guys! Hi Abu Dhabi! We are here in Abu Dhabi Marina to join the Dhow Cruise dinner with guests from Nigeria. Let's come inside and enjoy. Again, we booked this through Extreme Tourism. You can get their information down in the description box below. Hey guys.
Hello. Is it video?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Hello, how are you? Alright, extreme travel.
Yeah.
That's great.
Hey, enjoying so far?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, good evening. My name is Axel Gonzalez. I'll just introduce my food. This is cheese cuts. Then we have lettuce. This is gado salad. Then we have the sausage like dressing for the same for the lettuce. It's Greek salad over here. Arabic like hummus. Beetroot mutabal. We have bread. Salad. We have steamed rice. Followed by the vegetable noodles as well. And we have baked potatoes and the sour cream for this one. Then we have corn, baked corns. And we have lasagna, it's beef lasagna. Then we have this one beef stir fry with broccoli. And we have fish steak. So then we have mixed grill, chicken and lamb. Then we have this baklava, it's Arabic sweet dish. And we have fruit cuts, panna cotta, dates. It's mini cakes, pastries, umali.
What is this?
It's umali. It's made out of bread and milk. This one.
Bread and milk.
Bread and milk.
Now we are here in the wooden boat and while they are eating, we will have a tour here.
mentioned that you think you're enjoying it so far.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm yet to have. I'm yet to have. This is rice, the fish steak. Very well.
I like your outfit.
Thank you very much. Jello.
How are you guys?
Thank you.
How do you find the food? What's up? Do you like it?
It's so tasty. I'm really having fun.
Can you give me that sound?
My name is Gabriel. Yes, from Nigeria.
So how do you enjoy the moment?
It's magical. It's really enjoyable and relaxing. It's an environment away from work. Work can be stressful. The food is nice.
Do you enjoy the moment?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Enjoying the night.
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it?
Everton is 0-0. You know what I'm saying?
Come on.
Everything now 0-0. Okay, it means in our workplace, it means zero calamity. I really enjoyed my time. I'm happy.
Yeah.